laps in, and you're at 3,000. This is perfect.
Little power?
Little power, yeah. You go. Get it up to the right here a little.
No, it's fine.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Cut the power. Cut the power.
Cut power, yeah, there you go. Watch your airspeed and you're perfect. You are perfect. Just ease it on down and hold her off. Excellent.
Okay, now.
Excellent. Now,
directions.
now just slow down. You've got a long ways to the turnoff. Don't slow too much.
We're at a
40. Verify Whiskey Foxtrot, turn left, contact ground point, good day.
Thank you. 5 Whiskey Foxtrot, exiting Alpha 4, contact ground control. Thank you.
Where do I go? Off that way?
Yeah, follow the stripe and then.
Thank you.
Yeah, follow the stripe. No, go to the left here. Left. Follow that stripe. Talk to the ground. Welch.
That's 205 Whiskey Foxtrot, calling Palomar ground, taxi transient parking via Alpha.
Palomar ground, 5 Whiskey Foxtrot, we'd like a taxi for takeoff.
5 Whiskey, number 5 Whiskey Foxtrot, roger, runway 24, then taxi via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha to 24, thank you, sir. Hear that squelch? That horrible noise?
Yes.
Test. It's only when I hit the mic button.
Yeah.
And only on ground control.
And we have clearance, correct?
Yes.
I just keep doing what I'm doing, right?
Yeah.
That was fun.
That was fun. That was great. Here. Picture of yourself with the tower in the background here.
I'm fine.
Great.
So, am I cleared for takeoff?
No.
What do I do? Do I go over there?
No. Follow the stripe. We don't need to do a run-up.
Just give me the directions.
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was follow right up here, and now I change frequency. You ready to go?
I'm ready to go. Where do I?
You need to do a checklist or anything? You're going to be following that stripe over there. Don't just stop. Palomar Tower 5 Whiskey Foxtrot, ready for departure on 24.
November 205 Whiskey Foxtrot, Palomar Tower, same direction of flight, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
We will be departing to the north and then northeast. Cleared for takeoff. Thank you, sir.
Fuel pump is on. All set?
All set.
Wow, this is fun.
Isn't this great? So at any point you need to follow the stripe or cut it right across here.
This is just for big.
Can I go ahead and cut it?
Yes, turn left.
Talk a little louder?
Yeah.
I've turned my squelch, so I'm going to test. Test, there we go. Okay, there you go, and we're clear. There's absolutely nobody here. It's completely quiet.
Perfect date of me to do this.
This is perfect for you to come to the big boys field. This is great. You're cleared whenever you're ready. Watch your speed, get a little more speed. Very good, girl. Perfect job. So now just do everything normally. Climb out at 70. see our house, I'll bet. It's just right, if you look right over the wingtip, right behind the wingtip.
Yep.
Okay, so whenever you're ready, right turn, 90 degrees.
Okay, in just a minute. All right. Getting a little more comfort here.
Good, good. That's
Trying to get it at 70.
Yeah. Yeah, just settle in now. It's a beautiful day.
Nice, it's so pretty. There we go. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Bye-bye, ocean. And head up that way, or
Yes, head up that way until you're like at least pattern altitude.
which is
1500. Yes, precisely. You're doing it perfect. So just head, like a 90-degree pattern here until we get to pattern altitude, and then turn about a 45, and you'll be headed.
And then we'll be on the way home.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my. I did it. Did you see?
You did it here. I'm very pleased.
I really appreciate your being here and your very calm directions.
I'm glad I've been here before.
Oh yeah, it's funny how hard it is to see runway at first.
It really is. Clear up until we were on base leg there. I mean, preparing to enter base leg.
Yeah. Oh, it's gorgeous day.
There we go. There's our purple line.
Okay, and I'm at pattern altitude.
So make a right turn and head up, head for San Jacinto, essentially. Oh, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah,
I love you. You did it. You did it with aplomb.
with the what?
Aplomb.
A plum.
Aplomb.
Delta 3 Alpha, friction improved. See you at Paul Station.
See you later. Thanks for your help.
No problem.
So we wait for them to call us out here. And there's some